Habol na, may discounted promo para sa corner lot na to. Kung naghahanap ka ng malaking lot sa General Trias na may flexible financing, check this Bank Foreclosed Corner Lot. Barangay San Francisco, General Trias, Cavite. 101.31 square meter lot area, 42 square meter floor area. 2 bedrooms, 1 carport. Selling price, 2,440,000. At promo ngayon, 20% down payment, 488,000, 80% loanable, 1,952,000. In-house financing up to 10 years. Bakit worth it? Corner lot ito with a spacious 101.31 square meter lot area kaya may extra flexibility ka for parking, garden, outdoor space or future improvements. Plus, no bidding basta walang kasabay. As is where is, bank fees and transfer of title are not included. Habol na sa discounted promo. Kung pasok sa budget at requirements mo, huwag nang hintayin na masecure ng ibang buyer. Free house tour assistance available. Message us now for inquiries and viewing schedule. This is Jean Puig. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!